Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sneha and today's video is a mini makeup haul for all of you guys. So I've shopped a bit in the last month, so I thought that I'll share with you guys what all I've got. This is not a lot of stuff but a few things that I've bought so far, so let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the NYX foundation. So this is the NYX Total Control Drops. So I have heard a lot about it and I wanted to try it for a really long time, and this is what I have on my face right now. I don't know if you guys can make out or no, but yes, and I am in the shade Classic Tan. I did get myself matched from the store, so the SA actually helped me to match my exact shade. So the next thing that I got was this NYX Born to Glow highlighter. So all of the things that I'm showing you right now are in no particular order. I'm just picking it up as I'm going. So I got this NYX Born to Glow highlighter shade. This is in the shade Break the Rhythm, and believe me guys, it is so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me swatch it for you guys. I mean, it's such a beautiful shade. So this is how it looks like. And let me swatch it for you guys. Oh my god, this looks so good. This looks so good. I don't know if you guys can see or no, but yes, it's just beautiful. It's a very pinky peachy kind of a highlighter. So the next thing that I got is this nail paint from NYX. So this is in the shade Dainty Days, and it's a beautiful light pink kind of a shade, so I just got it. The next thing I got is another highlighter from E.L.F. E.L.F. So this is a super cheap highlighter. It was just for like, I guess, $7. So I got this, and this is in the shade Blush Gems. I don't know where the outer packaging of this is, but yes. And this is how blushed, this is the Blush Gems. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful, very subtle kind of a highlighter. I love it so much, and it's so cheap. Next thing I got is also from NYX. So I got the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. So I got this concealer in the shade 6.5. It's in the shade golden. Yeah, it's in the shade golden, and I wanted this for my under eyes. So this is such a great concealer. I have used it and it's awesome. This is a creamy concealer and super cheap, super affordable, but good quality. So yes. And then I got another highlighter from NYX. Yes, now you might have guessed that I love highlighters in my life. So I got the NYX Born to Glow highlighter. This is a liquid illuminator, and this is in the shade 02 Gleam. And wow. So yay. I like to mix it with my foundation and it gives me such a nice glow. So this is how it looks like. And then I got this Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil, and it's so good and creamy. I'm gonna swatch it between here somewhere. This is just one swipe of it, and it was, I guess, for $1.50, so totally worth the buy. And my biggest and the costliest purchase, I got this Urban Decay All Nighter foundation in the shade 5, I guess. Yes, it's 5.0, and I got this foundation yesterday. Yeah, I did try it on the store. Obviously the SA matched me. Dun, dun, dun. So this is what I got. So this is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation, full coverage, matte finish, and oil free, and bomb. And now just for the lips. So this one I got from E.L.F. This is a matte lip color, but this is essentially not matte, and it is in the shade Tea Rose, and I don't like the shade at all. It washes me out so much. So this is how it looks like. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys here. So this is how it looks like. And then I got so many lipsticks from NYX, so let me show you. And I already lost one of it, and that's sad because that was like the best shade, I'll tell you. So I got the NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Vintage. That's number 12. Yes, and it's such a beautiful vampy shade. Oh my god, I love it so much. Such a deep wine shade. This is how it looks like. This is NYX Vintage. So then I got the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Exotic. Oh my god, this is a shade that I wear almost every day. I love this shade so much. This is such a great everyday shade. Oh my god. This is how it looks like. It's such a pretty shade. And the next is also a NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Beauty Mark. And it's a beautiful brown shade, taupey brown shade. Look at how it looks like. Yeah. This is how it looks like. It's so beautiful. These are all the liquid lipsticks. And also this. So this is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen. And this is such a beautiful red. Yeah, I know I say beautiful for all the lipsticks, but this is actually beautiful. Look, this is such a beautiful shade. Oh my god. And I also got another shade in this that is called Budapest, and I lost it. I have no clue where, but I lost it. That was like such a good nude shade, and I lost it. Never mind. And the other two things are two butter glosses from NYX. So one is in the shade Angel Food Cake. This is what I have on my lips right now. It's such a beautiful purpley pinky color. Here, this is how it looks like. The other one is called Ginger Snap, and it's such a beautiful brown shade. I'm gonna swatch it right next to Angel Food Cake. And this is how it looks like, Ginger Snap. And it's such a beautiful shade. Yeah. I love lipsticks. By this time you might have guessed it. That I love lipsticks a lot. And last but not the least, I got a matte lipstick. It's a matte retro matte liquid lip color in the shade Topped with Brandy. So this is how it looks like. I love this. Yeah. And I'm gonna swatch it right here, like the first. Look at how beautiful that looks. This is how it looks like, and it's so beautiful and nice, and it sets to a completely matte lip color, and I just love it. So this is all for my little haul. Oh my god, that rhymed. So I hope you guys liked it, and if you have any questions, and if you want reviews on any of these products, and if you want me to buy something else and review it for you guys, then please do not forget to leave that in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you guys with all of this. And I'll see you guys next time with my next video. Until then, bye.